Welcome to Zen, your place for real strategies to build wealth, discipline, and long-term success. In today's video, we're diving deep into 7 businesses you can start as a beginner in 2025. No fluff, no fairy tales, just real practical businesses that can grow into something serious if you're consistent. Stick around to the end because I'll also share a bonus business and how to decide which one is perfect for you. First, print-on-demand business. Selling custom-designed products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, without handling inventory. Use platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Gelato and sell through Shopify or Etsy. Tools like Canva and Midjourney help you create eye-catching designs. No inventory. Passive potential. Automated fulfillment. Mindset tip. Most people fail because they try to sell to everyone. Choose a specific niche. Getting started. Pick a niche. Cats, fitness, anime. Design products in Canva. Connect to Etsy or Shopify. Income potential, $500 to $10,000 plus per month. Imagine waking up to 3 new orders for shirts you never even touched. That's the magic of automation. Your first few sales might feel small, but they unlock belief. It's about connection, not perfection. A simple black shirt with bold words can outsell a complex graphic. Second, freelance services. Offer skills like writing, design, video editing, virtual assistants. Use Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Free to start, flexible schedule, high demand globally. Start like this. Pick one skill, e.g. video editing. Create basic portfolio. List services, use tools, Grammarly, Canva, ChatGPT, CapCut. Your existing skills are more valuable than you think. Freelancing teaches you lifelong skills, communication, deadlines, delivery. Rejection will come, but your $500 client is just one message away. Third niche dropshipping store. Sell trending products without touching them. Use Shopify with suppliers like Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping. How it works: pick one product, launch store, run test ads, use TikTok Creative Center to research trends. Example, one product store, Smart Posture Corrector. Dropshipping is a testing game. Winners test constantly. Think of your store as a lab. Test creatives, copy products. A $20 ad with the right hook can go viral. Fourth, YouTube channel with your face and passion. Start a personal YouTube channel where you talk directly to the camera and share what you truly care about. Whether it's gaming, fitness, tech, relationships, or motivation, what matters is that you enjoy it and stay consistent. Build real trust with your audience. Grow a personal brand over time. Open doors to sponsorships, coaching, and digital products. How to start? Pick a topic you could talk about for hours. Use your phone and natural light to record. Speak like you're talking to a friend, not a crowd. People connect with people. Showing your face creates instant trust. Your passion is your best niche. What you love talking about is what you'll stay consistent with. Don't worry about fancy equipment. Your energy and honesty matter more. Fifth, local service business. Start physical services in your area. Lawn mowing, cleaning, car wash, power washing. Immediate cash, easy to start, can scale with help. Get started. Print flyers or post in FB groups. Offer first job at discount. Be reliable and friendly. There's money offline too, especially where few people are hustling. Simple hustle beats complicated plans. Results are fast. 5 lawns equals $250 a day. Sixth, digital product sales. Sell ebooks, Notion templates, planners, AI prompts. Use Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy. High margins. Passive income. Ideas, 30-day fitness tracker. Notion planner for students. Airbnb host checklist. Digital products equals modern gold. Build once, sell forever. It's not about being a genius. It's about being useful. Templates and checklists are massive right now. 7, coaching or consulting. Help others based on what you know. Fitness, productivity, finance. How to start? Offer 3 free sessions. Collect testimonials, sell one-on-one or group sessions, use Zoom plus Calendly to schedule. You've overcome something others haven't. That gives you authority. First clients are often in your current network. Coaching is helping others unlock what's already inside. Bonus, affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn commission. Use Amazon, Gumroad, ClickBank. No need to create product. Works with YouTube, blogs, TikTok. Affiliate marketing is about trust. Build first, sell second. Educate, then offer. That's how trust becomes income. Most people quit at video number 5. Success comes at video number 50. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks. They're real scalable businesses. If you pick one and stick with it for 90 days, your entire life can change. Comment below which business you'll try first. Like, share, and subscribe to Zent, where your future business begins today.